Disgusting human.
Let's find our little group, shall we? Oh, there they are. Naomi, did you just arrive? All right. All right.
I don't know what it looks like there. There's probably a tower. I am really strong like Kanye, but my dad is even stronger. The first iwi of New Zealand is Maori. The second is English. The other iwi of New Zealand are mainly birds and fish. My dad is Maori, like me. I feel sorry for my mum. She's only Pākehā. It's a white New Zealand person. Yeah. Who's Pākehā? Yes. I don't feel sorry for myself, even though Paku Manu Ariki might feel sorry for me. We can come back to that at the end of the video, okay?
What would you call me then?
I call you Black.
What? Oh, thank you.
Moses.
All right.
Yeah, I think we'll come back to this question too, because this little boy thinks that. Yeah. Rona lives in the moon. I hate the moon because it took Rona away from her kids. Rona's kids need her here, back on the ground. They're still waiting. I will build a ladder and climb up and smash the moon over the head so Rona can get out.
Wait, that's a story. How she got in there.
Right, you're right.
Yeah.
But you're right. It is a story. What's an adult? I'm an adult too.
Hey.
I don't like people who think they are the boss of the world. I will climb through the television and hit them over the head with a big stick. I can do anything. I can build flying ships. My best friend and I will fly over there and smash the boss of the world on the head like the moon. I don't know why Nana says this is a no-hitting home.
Why does he?
I will hit all the English people in the face because they stole the land. I know you can't actually steal the land. I'm going to fight with my dad to get our land back. Mum can fight with us too if she wants. Can she?
Maybe. Yeah. I'm gonna die.
When we die, Nana will take me to meet Granny and Koro. She will introduce us so they know who I am. I know there are many ways to die. If your best friend dies, you will probably die. If your best friend leaves you, you will also probably die. Sometimes I feel so sad, I think I'll die. When it is the end of time, even the cars will get ripped out. Ranginui is always crying for Papa Tuanuku. If crying gets your feelings out, why is Rangi still crying for Papa? I don't want Rangi and Papa to get back together. I like it here, where we are now.
Gosh.
I am Paku Manu Ariki Whakataka. I am 7 years old, but I am nearly 10. I don't know why some kids are afraid. I am not afraid of anything. What? You can start writing something. We've got blank bits of paper. We could do a question, a cool question. You could maybe write down the most important thing about you.
Oh, that's
Take it home and keep it secret, or give it to your brother or your sister or your auntie or your mum or your dad. Your whānau. Give it to someone in your whānau. Or keep it secret. Doesn't matter. Sound like a plan?
Jax, you hold on to that. Larson, go up, get the cards, and then start giving them out. My other day, do you want to help as well? You want to help as well? Give them out? Give the cards out. Now, I need to remind you all. I need to. Hey, you, come here. Stop. Listen. There are others here. Do you understand? Keep your voice down. Let's go.
Moses, it's you.
It is I. I look very handsome. Thank you.
Moses, it's you.
Keep your voice down.
It's you and your son. It's you and your son.
It is me and my son?
Yes.
Wow, it does look like my son, doesn't it?
Yes.
Well, which one? You've got two.
I got two.
Which one? Sonny or Emma?
Looks like the big one. All right, let's go.
Oh, it doesn't have to me.
Awesome. And so totally all of that was coming up.
What are you looking for? Do you know what you're looking for?
Little badges that you can wear. You can take one of those if you want. The little gecko on it. Hey, no, press them.
Look.
On your front. Oh, why not? I thought I was. Tell us a little bit about yourself, huh? Before we meet you.
Hello, Megan.
Hello.
How are you? I know a lot of people.
Too much.
Hey, it's nothing too much about knowing people.
It's actually a really, really wonderful skill to have, remembering people's names. I'm terrible at it too, but it is a really wonderful skill. I know.
Thank you. I just got a compliment right there.
Yeah, people feel really like at ease when you remember that. It's a lovely thing, isn't it?
It is a great thing. Yeah.
Look at you with your orange sunglasses today.
Oh, man.
You're killing it.
It's a beautiful day. I want to carry on the continuity.
What do you mean the cover? You want to write a name for the cover?
Yes.
What do you want to name the cover?
Don't know.
You don't know?
Can you help me?
What are you writing, Azar?
Oh, they really are the worst too, aren't
Moses, I found the real you.
The real me. What that does look like.
they? Yeah, it gets really complicated. All your parents. Have you read any of these ones?
Yeah,
I love that. It's real, just like authentic.
Oh
man, yeah.
And no, we just sort of did our head in a bit. Should we do that?
You don't seem like you were sure on it.
It's a good thing. I'm still learning how to get kids to talk about it, but I've got friends who are friends and stuff, and they say it's a good way to get kids to talk about it.
Yes, of course. Yes.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, I do. I'm conscious of the little.
Found something, Julie? Hey, Julie.
We're both reading the same
Found
thing.
something. You're reading the same thing.
Education as well, because it builds up like.
Sorry. Is that your girlfriend?
No,
Just
there's
ask.
another one there.
There is another one? Oh, yeah, there's someone
Another
here.
one there. And there's 4 people.
Hey, do we get to have that?
Yeah, you can just take one. My family?
The most important thing to know is dumpling.
That's
Hey, don't say that.
Sorry, no. I came up with
Did you tell him you shared his secret with the world? That's
I heard that.
What's your secret to the world? Oh. You wrote a poem. I just shared your secret with the world.
I'm gonna die now.
Some ideas for sign language.
Yeah.
Sign language.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. We got it last time we were here, weren't we?
I still have it. Look. Do you?
What did you do?
Reading.
Did you just color that?
Yeah. It's pink.
It is very pink.
What? How could that happen?
playing Frank. Oh, also fun.
Frank?
Is that my screen? No, my screen.
Hold it, did he mention me? I must be important.
You've seen me before as well.
What? No, no. So who comes first, me or Ember?
Amber,
What?
you go first.
Am I third?
Yes.
Why am I third?
Because you're black.
What are you?
This is last. This is last. Okay, now you're not last.
Why am I third?
God.
Alright, is that your list?
At least you're not last.
Hello.
Hello.
I want to draw. Stanley, Sushi, Macaroons, Frank, and Katie Moses.
What?
I need all to be a bright vote.
You know who also have the alphabet?
Jack saying, have you found something of interest? Yes? No?
No, I feel like I went to with Moses and you.